Alrighty, so this is my corn calculator application for the iPhone, and it comes with a loading screen. And basically what it does is it calculates the increments, the weight, and the price of different portions of corn, I should say. So if we press start here, you can pick two. So you can pick between kernels to ears of corn to bushels, or even kernels to bushels, and then acres of corn, and then entire farms and however many acres they have on average. And then you can pick the random button. But after you choose two and then you press compare here, it then gives you information about the two and compares the two increments. So I chose the two right here, which is kernels and ears of corn. And then notice up here on the top left it has a number, which we'll get to in a second. Well, actually we should get to it right now because this is a unit, like a unit of number. So the default is 100. So we are comparing 100 kernels to 100 ears of corn. So this data right here reflects that. So the first section is weight. So 100 kernels weighs about 30.34 grams. And then it just gives you information here about that. And then you can change the number right here. And so you get different data based off of the amount you put right there. And then if you want to compare different ones, you compare right there. And that's basically the app.